Welcome to the Daikin VRV System Recovery and Vacuum Mode Programming Training Module. This session covers the complete procedure for activating recovery and vacuum modes, including the operation to open all indoor and outdoor EVs. Important safety notice. Only trained HVAC technicians should perform this operation. Ensure the main power supply is on. Confirm that all indoor units are connected. Always use a proper recovery machine and vacuum pump. Never interrupt power during programming. Why use recovery and vacuum modes? Recovery mode collects refrigerant during repairs or compressor replacement. Vacuum mode removes moisture and non-condensable gases, preparing the system for refrigerant charging. This special function also opens all indoor and outdoor EVs simultaneously, ensuring complete system access. Step 1. Enter field setting mode. Press and hold the mode button for more than 5 seconds. The display will show to 00. The system is now in field setting mode. Step 2. Parameter selection. Press the Set button 21 times to navigate to the recovery and vacuum setting group. Step 3. Confirm group. Press the Return button once to confirm your selection. Step 4. Activate selection. Press the Set button once to activate the special operation. Step 5. Final navigation. Press the Return button twice. The display will show T01, indicating recovery and vacuum mode is selected. What happens in T01 mode? All indoor EV valves open. Outdoor EV valves open. The refrigerant path is fully open, making the system ready for complete vacuum and recovery. Connection equipment. For recovery, connect your recovery machine to the service port and collect the refrigerant completely. For vacuum, connect the vacuum pump and achieve 500 microns or below, performing a proper holding test. After completion. After completion, exit field setting mode. Turn off the main power. Restart the system and confirm no error codes. Finally, recharge refrigerant according to specifications. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not skip opening all EV valves. Do not skip the vacuum holding test. Do not interrupt the power supply. Never charge refrigerant without a deep vacuum. Professional documentation. Always record the vacuum level achieved, the duration of vacuum, the amount of refrigerant recovered, and the final refrigerant charge. Proper documentation improves warranty support and builds client confidence. This concludes the Daikin VRV Recovery and Vacuum Mode Programming Module. Thank you for your attention, and remember, safety and precision are always your top priorities.